The Sock Monster. By Mary Banning. The sock monster lives in a dirty, dirty room, across from the mop and the big brown broom. His bed is between the washer and wall, a great spot to hide if you're not very tall. He only comes out during the day's light. Those humans in darkness give him a fright. When they visit his room, his blood runs cold. He just wants to hide if the truth be told. Whoever heard of a monster like this? One that won't growl, sneer, boo or hiss. He borrows our mates to socks we wear, to keep his parts warm and cover his hair. No one has seen him because he's so shy. Actually, Sock Monster would not hurt a fly. He's just like so many afraid of the dark. He even jumps when he hears the dog bark. He only sneaks out to get a quick stare at the cute little boy who also lives there. But Sock Monster's too afraid to appear, not knowing he really has nothing to fear. His job is to frighten the local crowd. Is this a job that will make him feel proud? Sock Monster is lonely and yearns to belong. Right now, he looks weak, and he wants to be strong. He is conflicted about the role he must play, and worried about what others may say. Should he try to be friends with this crew? After all, they are the ones he aspires to. He would love to be human, this is a fact. So, this monster gig is all just an act. Why would he want to be something he's not? Shouldn't he be grateful for all that he's got? He is always wanting those things he lacks. Maybe one day he will learn to face the facts. Being thankful helps him to like who he is. Then just believing in all he wants will be his.